Okay, Guitar Bobby here. Hopefully you can see this. G in the first position. C major blues scale. G, A, C, D, E flat, E, G, A, C, D, E flat, E, G, A. Now I'm going to slide up to that second position. I'm going to do that slower, using my first finger as my slide guide. A, C, E. I'm sorry, D, E flat, E. G, A, C, D, E. Bending up, E flat rather. Bending up to E. Back to D, and then C, 8th fret. C on that 8th fret. 8th fret, I got C. Back on that 3rd string. E flat, D. Back down to A. Sliding my slide guide down to the 2nd fret. 5th fret for the that C note, and then D. And so, in between these, moving in between the G7, F7. Those are the 3 main chords in that blues scale. You've got the blue note, which is E flat, and again, 2nd position, 8th fret, 8, 10, 11, and of course E naturals up at the 12th fret. Down there in the 1st position. A, C, A, G, E, D, C. Just a kind of a fun way to kind of get better at learning these notes. Just nothing to it but to do it, and practicing. Once you learn the scale, once you have you can find the scales online, of course. But the muscle memory only happens if you do it. And I'm at A, C. Now watch this. Down to E. I'm down in the 1st position again. I slid down. See that? 1st finger is sliding up from that E up to the A. And there's the C. again, just keep working at it between those first two, the first position. In the second position. It's Guitar Bobby. Peace and Happy New Year.